influencers might be cooked. This new AI agent creates entire videos from completely scratch just by typing in your prompt.
$50,000 for a tiny toy. Labubu isn't just a collectible, it's a marketing phenomenon.
It does everything from doing the research, planning the storyboard, writing the scripts, gathering assets, animating visuals, and recording the voiceover. Now after doing all of that, it will edit it in an entire video just like this.
Why are people paying $150,000 for a tiny toy? Labubu isn't just a collectible, it's a marketing phenomenon reshaping global brands. Hotmart's Labubu blind boxes routinely sell out in minutes, with rare editions reselling for up to $150,000.
Now I've been secretly alpha testing this new AI agent for the last 2 months, and it's actually pretty impressive. The only downside is it's currently only available on a waitlist. But I got about 250 spots that I can give away to you guys if you want to try this out. So click the link in the description fast and you can be one of the first to test it out once it is released. Now here's how it works. You write out your prompt and then you add in your images, your audio, your video, and you can even do news articles or Twitter posts. So I have this first example right here about a did you know type of post about the Pyramid of Giza. And I've attached this link to it, which is actually a news article that gives it some context. So now I just can say my voiceover, so we can choose between all of these different voiceover. Let's have a listen to Brittany.
Hello, this is Brittany speaking. I'm your confident voice for social media.
And that sounds quite good, so we use the voice and now we hit send. Now Agent Opus will now do the rest. So it will start doing the research and then it will write a script and then do all of the editing, finding all of the assets that you need and turn it into a video. Now this will take a bit of time. Luckily I already have this example for you, so here's how it works. First it did some reasoning and it asked the script confirmation, so it gave me a first script that I could choose from. Then after that I gave it some changes because you can literally prompt and say like, hey, make a change in this script or improve this. After that it will give you the status of what's going on and it will show you what the transcript is. Now if you confirm it, then it will start working on the video. After getting the transcript ready, it will start doing some research and it will find some links that it will use for the visuals. Then you get the option to choose between 3 different hooks. You have this text match cut, which is this. You can choose between object reveal, which is just like the object revealing, and then you have slides cut, which is the one I choose. After you've confirmed the hook that you're going for, then it will start making your video. And for me, it made this video.
Did you know the Great Pyramid of Giza used to shine like a diamond in the desert?
So here we can see an AI generated clip. Then if we scroll further into the video, then we can see it's also using like news articles. And it's even like highlighting them. Like this is one of the ways you can make your videos. And this is about a history topic. I will show you some more methods of how you can make different videos using Agent Opus. So here I made an example about bug bites. It's literally the simplest prompt ever. It's a 45-second video on why do bug bites itch. And this is the hook it made.
Ever wondered why bug bites itch like crazy? When a mosquito bites you, it injects saliva packed with weird proteins your body.
So it's quite impressive. It like gathered all the footage and it made a pretty good hook. Now, I must say it's not perfect yet as it's still in beta right now, but it's getting better and better every time I start using this. Now, same here. For the hook, you can choose between 3 different options. And that's why I choose the fast cut, because that one was the most impressive to me. Besides that, you can make cool explainer videos like this one.
You won't believe how cheap Japan is right now. Thanks to a weak yen, your dollar goes further than it has in decades, making everything from Michelin-starred ramen to high-tech gadgets more affordable than ever. This currency advantage is a huge reason why Japan welcomed a record-breaking 36.8.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's quite insane to see how far this technology has come. Like, it matches everything together perfectly. Still, it might make some mistake, but you can fix that in the editing afterwards. Now, you can also do script to video. So if you have your own script, then you can just copy and paste it in here. So I have a script that I want to make a short video on, and I'm basically asking it if it can make a video about how a tiny piece of mold once saved the world. Pretty interesting topic. So you can literally just hit send and then it will do all of the work for you. So here we have that video.
Did you know a tiny piece of mold once saved the whole world? Yep, real mold. The fuzzy stuff you don't like on bread. One day in 1928, a scientist named Alexander Fleming was working in his lab.
As you can see, for this one, it has a way easier hook because it detects that this kind of scene is like a bit of a more slow scene and I don't want to go for something crazy. So for this hook, I also choose something that was way less like trippy than all the fast cuts. And with this one, the thing I like is that they add in the captions. So that's one less thing you have to worry about. The captions are already integrated into this product. We're still in the very early stages of this tool, but already it's becoming quite impressive. I know for a fact that they're also adding in like AI avatars. Take a look at this example.
Where will Nvidia's stock be in 2030? Right now, it's about 180, but could it hit 500, 800, even 4,000? Some analysts see 500. The logic? Nvidia still controls over 80% of the AI chip market, and demand from cloud giants like Amazon.
It honestly makes me wonder, like, will there still be a demand for videos like mine, or will we change to having like these AI generated videos? So that's why I'm also testing it out to see like how good is this actually? Should I feel worried, or will this be the future? Because if I can benefit from this right now, then so can you. So I want to be one of the first to use these kind of like technologies so we can get a head start. And that's why I'm showing you this on this channel, so you can do so too. In fact, I will show you what you can do with this. You can make different YouTube channels. And if you have different YouTube channels, you can earn through many different ways. You can earn through AdSense, you can earn through affiliate marketing, brand deals, your own products. Honestly, there's so much possible in the world of content creation. And in 2025, it's easier to get started than ever because technologies like this. So what kind of channels can you make using this tool? Honestly, it's as far as you can imagine. So it can be like tech news or AI news, it can be celebrities, it can be history, all kind of different things. They already have a bunch of different niches like typed out here. So we have news, we have pop culture, we have explainer videos, video essays, we have listicles, thought leadership, and also content marketing. Honestly, I think there's a lot more we can add to this list. Now, if you want to be one of the lucky ones to get accepted into this new tool, then use my code DANKIEFT and you might be one of the few that can actually make content with Agent Opus. Let me know in the comments if you want me to use this for a period of like 30 days, posting daily to see what results we can get. Now, if you want to see more videos where I make viral shorts, then click the video that's on the screen right now and I will show you all different kind of methods on how you can make some viral memes using AI.